Everyone's talking about making money online, right? And yeah, the opportunity is absolutely massive. But let's be real, it can feel like you've been dropped in the middle of a huge, chaotic city with no map at all. So in this explainer, we're going to stop looking for a map to everywhere. Instead, we're going to build a blueprint for just one place, your success.
I mean, if you're here, the answer is probably yes. You can feel that potential, that pull of creating something for yourself in the digital world. Maybe it's a side hustle, maybe it's a whole new career. It's an exciting idea, isn't it?
And there it is, the big one. The question that stops so many people in their tracks. The amount of information out there is just deafening. You hear about SEO, social media, coding, dropshipping, content creation. It's so overwhelming you just want to close your laptop and call it a day.
Okay, so let's really get into this. The secret, the real game changer, is to stop trying to learn everything. You do not need a map to the entire internet. What you need is a clear, simple blueprint to build something specific, something valuable, and something that is 100% yours. Think about it. Every amazing building needs a rock-solid foundation before you can even think about putting up the walls. Well, it's the same here. These are the core skills that will support literally anything you decide to build online, no matter what path you end up choosing. So what are they? First, digital literacy. That's just being comfortable using the basic tools online. Next, effective communication. This is huge. It's about writing an email or a social media post that actually connects with a real person. Then there's adaptability. That's your superpower, because the online world changes like every single day. And finally, a problem-solving mindset, because trust me, things will go wrong, and you need to be the one who can figure it out.
Okay, so our foundation is poured. Now we can start putting out the main structure. Your entire blueprint, everything you build, will rest on 3 core pillars. Pretty much every valuable online skill you can imagine fits right into one of these. Pillar number 1, creative skills. This is the heart of your project. It's the design, the storytelling, the vibe. Think about things like graphic design, writing compelling copy, or editing a great video. It's how you make someone stop scrolling and actually feel something. It's the art. Next up, pillar 2, technical skills. Now, if creative skills are the art, these are the science. This is the code, the plumbing, the wiring that makes everything actually work behind the scenes. We're talking about web development, SEO to help people find you, or data analysis so you know what's really going on. This is the stuff that makes it all run smoothly. And finally, our third pillar, business skills. You could have the most beautiful, technically perfect thing in the world, but if nobody knows about it or how to buy it, then what's the point? This pillar is your engine. It's marketing, it's sales, it's project management. This is how you turn your cool project into actual, real income. So how do we use these pillars to actually build a career? The key isn't to become a master of all free. No way. The real power comes when you start mixing and matching skills from these different pillars to create something totally new and valuable. This is where your personal blueprint really starts to take shape. It's not about being stuck in one category. It's about the powerful combos that make you different. Let's look at a couple of real-world examples of how this works. So let's take a successful YouTuber. Their main thing is a creative skill, right? Making and editing fantastic videos. But that's not enough. They need a technical skill, a deep understanding of how the YouTube algorithm works. And then they need a business skill, knowing how to land sponsorships. See how they work together? Great videos please the algorithm, which grows the audience, which leads to better business deals. It's a perfect loop. Or how about someone who sells products online? They might start with a business skill, finding a great product to sell. But to make people want it, they need creative skills, like amazing product photos and a cool brand. And to scale up, they need technical skills to look at their website data and see what's actually converting. That combo is just an unstoppable growth machine. Okay, enough about other people's blueprints. Let's talk about the most important one there is. Yours, the one you're about to start creating. It's your turn now. You get to be the architect of your own career. So what's the very next step? It's really simple. First, make sure that foundation is strong. Then, just ask yourself, which pillar am I naturally good at? Creative, technical, or business? Start there. Then, just pick one skill from another pillar that would work well with it. Not 5 skills, just one. And then you start building something small. Don't wait, just start. I mean, this quote just nails it. We're moving away from an era of just finding a job that already exists. The real opportunity, the real future, is in designing your own value, architecting a career that only you can build. So I'll leave you with this one question. As you look at these pillars and you think about your own unique strengths, what's the first thing you're going to build? Your answer to that question, well, that's the first line